Hello beautiful people, this is me, I'm your host, and today I'm gonna share with you few items which I got from Timeless Skincare. So if you're curious, please carry on. Timeless Skincare, it's one of the niche brands which get attention because of the vitamin C serum with ferulic acid, which people compare to the SkinCeuticals. However, this one, it's way cheaper than the other. Let's say like that one could be around 200 or make it 180. This is, let's around $30. So right there you have a big difference. But anyway, let me give like a short overview. Timeless, it's a brand based in California. They produce their products in a small batches. Why? Because they want you to get the fresh ingredients. Also, they are very simple. They want their products to be as simple as possible. For example, where are you? No GMO, vegetarian, cruelty-free. And because they produce in small batches, you know you're getting the fresh ingredients. And also, I know somewhere here is a, here we go, yeah, it's a expiration and manufacture, so you know when use it by, is it? Yeah, manufacture date, so you can easily go and check it up. But anyway, the product comes in bags, and you have a short explanation what is it and what it does. So it's kind of easier for a customer, because right now when there's so many products we can easily get lost. So for example, this is vitamin B5 and hyaluronic acid. So as a new person, you don't know, guess what? Let me read you from the bags. Timeless Serum collection contains active ingredients at maximum concentration for intense anti-aging treatment, natural and paraben free. We don't use excess ingredients to make up for the lack of actives. Nice. We like to keep it simple and effective. Now let me read you about the ingredients. So because it's B5 and hyaluronic acid, so for example, B5, potent moisturizer, anti-inflammatory, excellent skin healing ingredients. Paired with hyaluronic acid, it offers intense moisture. And now let's go back to hyaluronic acid. Powerful hydrating and moisturizing ingredient that holds up to 1,000 times its weight in water. And obviously hyaluronic acid right now, it's, I would say it's almost found in every product because it's really hype up. Helps transport active ingredients more effectively into the skin. And on the other side you have instructions how to use it, and then what, storage and ingredients. So as you can see for yourself, it has only, I'm gonna focus, maybe not, either way, like if you look at the ingredients list, there's only few of them. But let me show you what I have in here. So the first thing is there 20% vitamin C serum, vitamin E and ferulic acid. Vitamin C, it's really good for your skin because it brightens the spots, and also vitamin C, it's good for your skin because it's work with pigmentation and also brighten your skin. And ferulic acid is like their best friend. Now this one comes in a box, and then this is the nice part, in a pump, which is awesome because most of the time vitamin C comes in a pipette, and if it's unstable, of course it's gonna oxidize. Because this one, it's in a pump, you can use it for a while. And this one is 1 ounce. So yes, I give a try for that one. And also check this one up, it comes in a big size. So for example, this is 1 ounce, this is 4 ounce, and let me show you, or I should say, let's compare the sizes. So this is one and this is second. If you want to try vitamin C, go for the small one. But if you know you like it and you want to save yourself some money, go for the bigger one. And yes, it also comes with a pump. Next one, we got some eye creams. First one is the Hydrating eye cream with hyaluronic acid and Matrixyl. You already know hyaluronic acid, it's hydrate, and Matrixyl, it's a form of a peptide. So it's like a building block between the bricks. I already used this one for a while, that's when I can easily show it to you. It's very light, it's not sticky, and it absorbs fast. I don't want to waste it, so let me use it up on my hands. And the second one is their Hydrating. Oh, I got two of the same ones. I'm surprised because on their webpage there was another eye cream. I believe it was for dark circles, and apparently I picked the wrong one. But anyway, I know I like it, so I already have a second one. Okay, I have few items left. And as you see, I have here serums, but besides this they also have like a pure ingredients, which say like maybe only one. If you're familiar with the Ordinary, that's what they have. I mean, let's say pure hyaluronic acid or pure something else. And also they have a bunch of mists, but I wasn't sure about the brand, so I went for the safe choices. Next one is the Matrixyl with hyaluronic acid. And anyway, you see the pattern everywhere is hyaluronic acid. Matrixyl, it's a form of a peptide. Okay, so let me open up. I do like, I think it's a peptide serum from Indeed Lab, yep. So that's the, come on, peptide serum. Next one is the vitamin B5, the one which I showed you earlier. Then we have Coenzyme Q10, that was the one. I do like the one from Indeed Lab, but I was like, you know what, I'm already placing the order, why not? And with the Indeed Lab, most of the time I try to stack up either around Black Friday or Cyber Monday, because they're doing like half, not half, 50% off. With this one it's still affordable, but they also have the big size, like one of those, but it comes with a pipette. But if I do like it, guess what? I can easily buy the big size and then just keep refilling while keeping the bigger bottle in the fridge, so it's gonna preserve its freshness. So yeah, I'm really curious about this one. And then we have, I think I have two of the same ones. Oh no, this one, it's a Matrixyl 3000. Okay, so we got Matrixyl S6 and the Matrixyl 3000. Okay, so let's see what the difference is. Okay, so the light pink, that's the Matrixyl 6, and it says peptide that stimulates 6 components of the skin matrix, improves synthesis of collagen 1, 3 and 4, fibronectin, laminin. Okay, they have some big names, so okay, we got this one. The darker one is the Matrixyl 3000, potent anti-wrinkle ingredient, used as alternative to retin A. That's kind of interesting. Increase collagen synthesis to 350%, and they use 8% concentration for maximum results. So if I can just maybe differentiate, so this is nice as the maybe startup, and this if you want some real results. But yeah, I'm gonna give a try for both and then decide which big bottle I'm gonna go with. I do enjoy the Coenzyme CoQ10 because it makes your skin look way better. And let's see what they say. Coenzyme CoQ10, antioxidant that provides cells with energy to boost collagen and elastin. Okay, I use this one in the morning and then follow up with hyaluronic acid. Then we have the B5, and this one was, that's the moisturizer and skin healing ingredient. That's good though. This was my short overview of the timeless skincare, or I should say the products which I bought. I'm gonna use them for a little bit and then let you know what I think about them. And yeah, if you did use, let me know. And maybe there are other products which I should give a try for. Anyway, see you next time. Bye!